Hello and welcome again with English today now. After finishing prose, chapter 6, there is a poem in your syllabus for your Ekam Kasoti. On your book, textbook, page number 58, Childhood. As whenever I used to go to in primary section, pre-primary section, secondary, higher secondary, when I used to go for lectures for the adult ones, can I say that mature people. You all are much more mature than me too, but it seems so whenever I used to go, I like to repeat the story of my childhood, especially my school days. The word here, childhood, it seems like that of feelings of heaven. Might be for someone hell, but heaven, you can understand this enormous joy, happiness, fun, feelings, sentiments, thoughts, attractions, lots and lots of things prefer with this word child. Nobody can forget this thing. Might, no doubt, when we are infant until age of 6 months, 7 months, 10 months, 12 months, might can't just remember this thing. What about the childhood, early childhood, we can say. But after that, when our schooling starts, when we start to know somebody, our mother, father, uncle, aunt, friends, neighbors, many people, many things, places surrounded nearby us. So many things are connected and concerned with childhood. The best time of our life. As earlier I told that school days, I cannot forget my school days. Yet, till today I miss my school. And my school days and my teachers, my colleagues and many mischiefs that I have done. And you all too now you are in 11th. You can understand that you cannot move backward towards your third standard, second standard, fourth standard, fifth standard that have been gone. So very superbly derived, written poetry, poem in the sense we can say, by Marcus Nathan. He has superbly derived, described about the childhood and the realistic world that people are living today. We all are living in realistic world, materialistic, we can say materialistic world nowadays. So let's continue with the poem Childhood by Marcus Nathan. Why did my childhood go? He questioned first in the first line. When did my childhood go? It must be why did my, So, insistingly, I have just gone through this thing that why instead of when. Yes, I too, even you all might be feeling why I lost my childhood. So, here it is written, when did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Why I didn't cease at 11? Yet now today also, the daily, once or twice in a day, I would like to say, I'm talking to my younger daughter, she is about 7 years old, that beta, don't become big. Then with whom I will play like this? You know the mischiefs, playing with small daughters, my daughters and other two children, small children. I would like to say, I'm gathering lots of children with me, distributing sweets. I can find my childhood in them. So here our writer want to say that when did my childhood go? I don't know when did it go, when did it pass away. Was it the day I ceased to be 11? I must be ceased, freezed to be 11. Enough. 11 age limit. Because you know till 11, 12 you become a little bit mature. In this today's world, no doubt, after the age of 10, yeah, at the age of 9, young boys and girls are mature enough. But in earlier times, means in our times, we don't know anything about the world, about this materialistic world, about this. All things we don't know. Just we used to do, say enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. So the poet was to say that why didn't seize it till the 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven? Yeah, was it the time I realized that hell and heaven? No, at that time we don't know what is hell and what is heaven. Because we were not caring about all these things. All these dramatic things we can see. Just a minute. I'm sorry. This dramatic period. We are living in a dramatic world. If you don't want to smile to a teacher or to anybody else, no, he or she or anybody is coming in front of us, we have to smile. We have to talk. Everything dramatically we are doing. We don't insist to do this thing, but we are doing. So here he wants to say that at that time, at the age of 11, till 11, we can say, till 12, till 13, we don't know what is heaven, what is hell. But now we could know. Because we distribute our mind, our thoughts, our feelings, our sentiments, everything to regarding society, regarding religion, regarding beliefs, regarding some prejudice, many things cover us. So we are saying, he says, was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? Yes, at that time there was not in geography, any time in terms. Means we can't find. Till 11 he told, I couldn't find that where is hell, where is heaven, this place is good, that is God. There was not in my geography, means in the coverage area of his mind, is thinking it's thought, etc. And therefore could not be, was that day. And therefore, because I was free, because he was enjoying the childhood, he don't know anything about the religion, caste, creed, society, nothing. If you will ask to a boy, a girl of about 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 of years old, that what is terrorism? What is nepotism? No, they don't know which words are this thing, which geographical condition is this thing. Nothing we can say about this thing. And therefore could not be, was that day. And therefore, at that day, at that time, nothing was there. Only enjoying living. So, when did my childhood go? He says again. Where it went? When did it go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seems to be? Here again he says that after a period of age, after adolescence we can see, the behavior change, the scenario change, even in our own family also. Especially for boys, parents would like to say, you have become big like a donkey, and what type of behavior you are doing. Many things comes. Surrounding, neighbors, they make us adult. Mentally, we are calm, quiet, everything. We are living in our life. But the scenario, the scenes, the circumstances, the incidents, the thoughts, and the people, and the society that makes us adults. A boy living in a jungle, does he want to be adult? No, nothing. Enjoying the life. But here the sins makes us adult. So here was at the time I realized that adults were not all the sins to me. And now I came to know that the behavior of my parents, the behavior of my neighbors, the behavior of the people, the adult people has been changed. As we know that when we are playing with a boy or a girl of 1 year, 2 or 3 years of age, we ourselves becomes like them. But after that boy or girl they grow now, the behavior, even our behavior is changed. So he says, now I came to know about the adults. They talk of love and preach of love. Yes, people talk of love and preach of love, but did not act so lovingly. Yes, people, having a mask on their face, not due to this coronavirus, that mask we are wearing, but there is another mask on their face. As earlier I told that we don't want to smile, then also we have to smile. Such a way. Like that, people also behave with us. That they love us, they care for us. But in true form, it is not true. They don't. Just to show that they care for us, just to show that they love us. So here he says that after some period, I came to know the adults. They were just pretending to be loved, to be cared, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Was that the day? Earlier age, when I was in my childhood, it was not at so. Because at that time, they loved me much more and more. They care for me. They makes me play. But now, no, it was just a show. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? Now, as a boy, he thinks, my mind was really mine? Is it was really his own? He thinks like that. He thinks about the realistic world, the dramatic world, we can say. He says, was it when I found my mind was really mine? At that time, at earlier in my childhood, I was thinking, do I think the same now? No, it has been changed. The whole world has been changed. To use whichever way I choose, and as you know, in our childhood, whatever thing, whatever way, whatever we want to do, we can do. In terms of everything. Misuse, food, clothes, everything. Whatever we demand, whatever we want, we used to get. But now, no, it's not so. If you will demand a Ferrari, ya limousine, ya any else car to your parent now, will they give you? No. If you will say, no, I want to go now and I want to go to America, will they say? No. Your demands are not clear by your parents. But in childhood, infant stage, every stage we can say, in the stage of child, whatever you demand, whatever you wish, whatever you think, that was coming true. But now, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and my alone, was that the day. That thoughts were my own thoughts, producing thought. But now we think for people. I must wear good clothes. What people will think? Means I have to think for the people. Yeah, I have to make people thinking about me. And when in the childhood, do we mean that whatever we used to wear, whatever we want to do, we were doing? Now it's not so. You cannot dance in your lobby now. Even in your own room also you cannot dance. In your own home you cannot dance. In your street, in your society, in your apartment, anyway. But a child, he can dance anywhere. Yes, she can dance anywhere. Wherever music blows, start dancing. Today also I am feeling that whenever there is a marriage ceremony, there is a, some beats are there. I used to drive a car nearby. Whenever I used to listen, I'm thinking, let's go and dance. Even I am saying to my daughters also, come, we will have 1-2 steps of dance. But can I do? No, I can't. But if I might be a child, so now productivity has been changed. Thoughts have been changed. We have to think for people that what people think about me. So the thoughts, the thinking, the sentiments, everything has been changed. And was that the but my own and my alone producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and my alone. At that time, whatever thoughts were coming from my mind were my own alone. But now I have to think for others, that what others are thinking about me. Totally changed after maturity. After I became mature, this all thing happens. We are thinking about this all thing. But earlier, before maturity level, everything was in good. Where did my childhood go? Where it had gone? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That all I know. That infant, that small face, where did it go? Small kids, the infant baby, everybody love. And for infant baby, the world is full of joy and happiness. And here the poet wants to say that, where did my childhood go? Where I have lost? Where are those days? It went to some forgotten place. It went to some forgotten place where I don't know. Where did these all days went? Where are those days? Some forgotten place might be there. And that's hidden in an infant's face, that all I know. That might have hidden somewhere. And now where we can see our childhood? We can see in our brother, sister, any other baby, small infant baby, we can see our child. I can see my childhood in my daughter's face, in my daughter's behavior, in my daughter's mischief. I know she's playing mischief, but I like that she plays mischief, because those days are not going to come in her life again. Every now and then, to and fro, she is the most mischievous in my house, and I like that mischief. My wife used to scold me that she is becoming more and more mischievous because of you. But I like both of mine. My elder daughter is in 11th with you all. Though I like that she play mischief, because these days are not going to come again. I like small children. Even in school also I am playing with the first standards to second standard, every primary sections, students, I am playing misuse with them, because I can see my childhood in them. So childhood, the precious time of life, it won't come again. And here the poet says that it had been forgotten somewhere. Where it is? It is in some infant phases, in the small, the younger generation, we can say. As the maturity level develops, we have to, here it is written, we are thinking of others' thought, not our own thought. Whenever we are dressed up, we are saying, we are just asking to other people, how do I look? Yeah, how I am looking? We are taking their suggestion, not our own. We all must know, yes, I am looking very good, fantastic, handsome, super, beautiful for girls and handsome for boys. But we are taking suggestions of others. This is our maturity level. In childhood, do we do this thing? Do we ask? No doubt our mother and parents and this all. Oh, you are looking like Pari. Oh, you are looking like Rajkumar, Prince and Princess, Angel, God and Goddesses, like that. We were getting these all things, these good names from our relatives, parents, etc. And we were the happiest person at that time. But now we are mature enough. But we are missing those days, the days of childhood. So here superbly our Marcus Nathan has described this poem. He insists this thing to us that you go back to your childhood, where you lost your childhood. Live like that you are a child. Each and every person like the child. Might be good or bad, but childhood is childhood. We can see many children, they are in their own mood, in their own way. We can just go through them. And the more, if you want to be tension free, remember your childhood days. That how mischievous you were, what you were doing. Yeah, many things are there to be recalled and recollected too. So, some three: individuality, rationalism, and hypocrisy. Three words are there. Might be a question to explain this thing. This comes in your paragraph, different things. Superbly poem here it is by Marcus. I know some poems, most probably poems are boring one, but this one I think so that it's the best that I have ever read it out. Read it. Remember your childhood. Get some memories. Go through the albums, videos. If you have of your childhood, remember those days, and obviously, for some time also you will feel a particular happiness in your own. You will be happy, obviously. Talk about your childhood, your infant stage with your parents, neighbors, uncle, aunts, mama, mommy. If grandfather, grandmother are there, you are the luckiest person over there. Be with them, go back to your childhood, and then you could understand easily this poem. But before that, you have to read about this poem. What does it suggest us? It's I would like to thank you all that because of you, all I can read this poem, and whatever I got, I can explain this thing. There are lots and lots of things written in this thing, and to be explained to. Whichever line you read, it can be explained in many thousands and thousands ways, because childhood, the time has no limitations. the pleasure, yeah, pleasure we can say. It's remarkable. We can't just get it. But life is a phenomenon. We have to live it. So work hard and get good marks in your Ekam Kasauti too. No doubt it's a crucial time. All of my students are brilliant. So there is no doubt regarding this thing. If any doubt, you are most welcome to me, to Deepak sir, to Hemchandani sir, as you are aware of him, his teachings too. So let's enjoy the life and enjoy the childhood. Again, I would like to say, read it out and enjoy yourself. Till then, I would like to thank you. Thank you very much.